What up guys, Gadget Pinoy here. So welcome back to my channel. So today we've got something really exciting to talk about, the Yunzii Z98 Pro. It's a mechanical keyboard. It's been creating quite a buzz in the keyboard community and I have the pleasure of using it for the past few weeks. So without further ado, let's dive into this review. When you first open the box, the first thing you will notice is this manual. So it's a manual. It provides instructions on how to connect your keyboard to your computer. So this manual contains very important details for the setup process. So next, you will find an information manual detailing the keyboard's functions. So you will discover special shortcuts on how to functions for both Mac and Windows users. In addition for that, you can learn how to customize the backlight, and the product comes with a 12 months warranty as indicates here. So this is the keyboard itself. Let's set it aside for now and we will discuss it later. So underneath this box, you will find a Type-C cable for connecting to your PC, a switch puller for changing your keycaps, and some extra keycaps, and a switcher. So there are two options available, linear and tactile for switches. So essentially, this is what you will receive in the box. So let's grab our keyboard. So my first impression of this keyboard here is that this has a cute and gradient style design that I really like. They've added some intricate details to the keycaps, as you can see here, which I believe many people will appreciate that. So the color palette they choose is quite unique. When you buy from their website, they offer color options like white, blue, matcha, light purple, and purple. I particularly enjoy keyboards with larger layouts, and this one boasts a 96% layout with 94 keys. So the keycaps are not only super nice, but also very modern and playful. So when you turn on the keyboard, just simply press this button here, and then you will see the KZZI logo appear on the display. So from here, you can customize various settings. As I mentioned earlier, everything you need to know about your keyboard is in this manual here. So, but one thing that caught my eye is the ability to customize a GIF image, which is very nice features in this keyboard. I'll show you here. So press this button. So every time I press this button, it changed the icon, right? So now this is volume icon. If I change it, this is a menu setting. Make sure it's in the menu setting. Then pull down the toggle switch and then press home. And then select GIF. And then press it again. Now you have this cute GIF on your keyboard. However, I still cannot figure it out how to change the image. But the website said you can change the image. But how cool is that, right? Very cool. Now, if you don't like this GIF image and you want a default setting, just press this button again, hit the home button, and then choose the time, and then you are in the default setting. Now you can also change the backlight and color effect. To do that, just simply press this button here, make sure it's in the menu setting, and then pull down the toggle switch. Continue pulling down until you see the effect icon, right? Press this button here, and then you can choose whatever effect do you like, because there's 18 effects here in this keyboard. So whatever you like, it depends on your preferences. Once you've chosen the one you like, press this button here. If you want to change the color, select this color icon here and then press this button. There are numerous colors to choose from, but it's up to you which one do you like. So if you decide which one you prefer after you made your selection, then press this button and you're done. And additionally, you can adjust the brightness of your keyboard. Just press this brightness icon. You can change the brightness if you like, and also you can change the speed of your lightning effects. So that's it. Let's see what's in the back here. So you will find a USB receiver. So this is the USB receiver. This is the slot, so you can, if you don't want to use it, just put it in a slot. And a USB Type-C for charging your keyboard. It is recommended to use a 5-volt power source to ensure your proper charging, but there's a lot of options here. In the manual, you'll find a bunch of shortcuts to use, such as multimedia control, special function keys, and even customized backlight effect. I won't go through them here because it will take too much time, and if you buy this keyboard, you can play with other functions and effects, and I want you to discover it by yourself. So overall, the rating of this keyboard is very positive, particularly in terms of design, color choice, and layout. I highly recommend it, especially for those who work in the office setting and gamers alike. So if you decide to purchase this keyboard, there's a chance they might include a free keyboard switch similar to this one. Although I cannot confirm if they offer this to all customers, the best part of this is that they offer a worldwide shipping, make it accessible to users globally. Additionally, the price is quite reasonable and not too much expensive. So if you believe I missed mentioning anything important, or if you have any further questions about this keyboard, please don't hesitate to comment below and I'll be happy to provide more information. That's conclude today's review. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.